Welcome back. They say the kitchen is the heart of the home, but when that heart feels cramped, everything feels off. The real enemy of small kitchens isn't size, it's visual weight. Heavy cabinets absorb light, lower the ceiling visually, and make the room feel tighter than it really is. For years, the advice was simple. Just paint it white, and yes, white works. But it can also feel boring, sterile, like a dentist's office with a stove. Design trends moving into 2026 are smarter. Designers are using complex neutrals, atmospheric darks, high LRV colors that bounce light, and deeper tones that blur boundaries. LRV, light reflectance value, basically tells us how much light a color throws back into the room. Today, I've curated 10 future-forward cabinet colors based on forecasts from Pantone, Sherwin-Williams, WGSN, and architectural studios. For each one, I'll explain why it makes small kitchens feel bigger, how to style it, and what mistakes to avoid. All right, mood boards ready? Let's start expanding space. Color number 1. Cloud Dancer. If you're scared of color but tired of Builder White, meet Cloud Dancer. This isn't stark white. It's a soft, creamy off-white with warmth built in. Why it works? Pure white can feel harsh and shadowy. Cloud Dancer softens edges and reflects light without screaming hospital. It bounces light into corners but still feels breathable and calm. Think airy, not icy. Styling. Recipe. Skip harsh black hardware. It chops the space up visually. Instead, use brushed brass or champagne gold. For countertops, white quartz with subtle veining. When everything flows together, your walls almost disappear. Number 2. Upward. Next is Sherwin-Williams Upward, a denim blue with grey undertones. Here's the trick. Your brain associates blue with sky. And when you look at the sky, you don't feel boxed in, you feel open. Upward visually recedes, meaning the cabinets feel like they're stepping backward instead of leaning into your walkway. That alone makes galley kitchens feel wider. Styling recipe. Polished nickel or chrome hardware. White subway backsplash. And let natural light do its thing. This color multiplies it. Instant calm, instant space. Color number 3. Future Dusk. Okay, deep breath. Yes, this one is dark. Meet Future Dusk. A rich mix of blue and violet. And here's the secret designers don't talk about. Dark colors can make small rooms feel bigger. Why? Because they blur edges. Instead of seeing exactly where cabinets stop, shadows melt into color, and suddenly the room feels deeper than it really is. It's like staring into a night sky instead of a flat wall. Styling. Recipe. You must add contrast. Bright white countertops, under cabinet lighting, satin brass hardware. Do it right, and your kitchen feels dramatic, luxurious, and oddly expansive. Not small, cinematic. Color number 4, Quiet Wave. At number 4 is Quiet Wave, a pale, airy green. 2026 design is leaning hard into biophilic spaces, but lighter, oxygen-feeling greens instead of heavy forest tones. Quiet Wave feels weightless. Cool undertones push walls back visually and make tight kitchens feel calmer and cleaner. It's especially good if your kitchen opens into living space. It blends instead of blocks. Styling recipe. Light oak or birch accents, minimal hardware or finger pulls. Maybe open wood shelving. It feels like cooking inside fresh air. Color number 5, Parchment. Say hello to Parchment. It's the color of limestone, raw canvas, and soft desert sand, warm, quiet, and incredibly sophisticated. In small kitchens, a lot of people default to gray, but gray can feel cold, industrial, and a little lifeless, especially when there's not much natural light. Parchment does the opposite. It reflects light in a warm, diffused way, so instead of bouncing harsh glare around the room, it wraps the space gently. Designers call this a cocoon effect. The kitchen feels inviting and breathable instead of tight and cave-like. It adds depth without visual weight. So your cabinets feel substantial but never overwhelming. That's why Parchment is perfect for organic, modern, Japandi, and modern farmhouse kitchens that need to feel calm, not crowded. With Parchment, you get comfort, elegance, and spatial breathing room, all at the same time. Color number 6, Mellow Flow. Let's talk about problem kitchens for a second. You know the ones. No windows, or one tiny window facing a brick wall, or light that disappears after 4 p.m. That's where Mellow Flow becomes powerful. This is a soft, wheat gold yellow. Not lemon, not neon, not school bus. And that distinction matters. Here's the psychology. Yellow sits at the brightest point of the visible spectrum. Before your brain even registers shape, it registers light. So, when cabinets are painted Mellow Flow, they don't feel colored. They feel illuminated. Your cabinetry starts behaving like a light source. In a small kitchen, that's huge. Instead of shadows collapsing inward, the space feels energized, open, and alive. Even at night, your brain gets the signal. This room is bright. This room is safe. This room is open. It literally counteracts claustrophobia. Color number 7, Transcendent Pink. When people hear pink kitchen, they panic. But Transcendent Pink isn't bubblegum. It's dusty, earthy, and slightly brown-based, which makes it behave like a neutral in 2026 design. Here's why it works in small spaces. Pink reflects a very flattering, diffused light. Instead of bouncing glare like white, it creates a soft glow. That glow smooths out sharp edges from stainless appliances, countertops, and corners. In a tight kitchen full of hard geometry, that softness matters. Your cabinets stop feeling like boxes and start feeling atmospheric. It also tricks perception. The warmth pulls attention away from square footage and toward mood. And when people feel comfortable in a space, they interpret it as larger. That's design psychology at work. Done right, the kitchen feels like a boutique hotel, not a tiny apartment. Color number 8, Silver Frond. If you love calm, Scandinavian energy, you're going to love Silver Frond. This is a silvery green-gray that shifts throughout the day. Morning light pulls out the green, evening light makes it read more gray. That movement is important in small spaces. Static colors can make a room feel flat and locked in. Chameleon colors keep the eye moving. And movement creates perceived space. Because Silver Frond sits on the cool side, it visually recedes. Instead of cabinets coming forward into your path, they feel like they're sliding backward into the walls. And here's a practical bonus. It hides fingerprints, and we're far better than pure white or black, which keeps your small kitchen looking cleaner and larger over time. Color number 9, Alabaster. Alabaster is legendary, but the magic isn't just the color, it's how you use it. Here's the designer move. Color drenching. Paint your cabinets, walls, and ceiling in alabaster. Just change the sheen. Semi-gloss for cabinets, eggshell for walls, flat for ceilings. When contrast disappears, the eye loses its stopping points. So instead of seeing cabinet to wall to ceiling, your brain reads one continuous surface, and continuity equals size. Ceilings feel taller, walls feel farther apart, visual clutter evaporates. In small kitchens, this is one of the strongest optical illusions you can use. If you want drama, introduce black hardware for a graphic pop. But keep everything else soft so the space still breathes. Color number 10, Aquamarine Dream. Last, and maybe most emotionally powerful, is Aquamarine Dream. Think shallow ocean water. It's blue, green, and white blended into something that feels fluid instead of solid. Here's why that matters. Heavy cabinet colors feel like mass. Aquamarine feels like movement. Instead of your cabinets visually sitting on the room, they feel suspended inside it. Light bounces, energy flows, and the space stops feeling static. In small kitchens, that sense of motion makes everything feel lighter, mentally and visually. Your brain stops noticing walls and starts noticing atmosphere. So now you know, making a small kitchen feel bigger isn't about knocking down walls. It's about understanding how color talks to the eye. The right cabinet shade can lift your ceiling, push your walls back, bounce light into corners, and completely change how your space feels, without changing a single measurement. From the soft warmth of Cloud Dancer, to the drama of Future Dusk, to the breezy energy of Aquamarine Dream, every color we covered today is designed to work with perception, not against it. And remember, paint is one of the highest return upgrades you can do. It costs a fraction of a renovation, but it rewrites the architecture of your kitchen. Before you commit, always test your samples. Tape them up. Look at them in the morning, at noon, and at night. Light changes everything. Drop your favorite in the comments. I read them all. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more interior design secrets, and share it with someone who's stuck in a small kitchen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!